Hey YouTube, this is Jeff Trainer, and in today's video I want to show you how you can make over $100,000 online in your spare time. Have I done it? No, but this guy has. Okay, I'm on the site called Fiverr where you could make money. Anybody could go on this site and offer their services and make a ton of money if you're good at it. But if you're a pillow on the couch and do nothing, then you won't make anything. But if you're good at doing something, you can make a lot of money on this site. And I'll show you that right now. This guy right here, I'll record a professional American male voiceover narration. All he does is he's got some equipment and he talks and he makes $40 an order. You can see that over here. $40 an order. But does he really make $40 an order? No, he makes a lot more than that per order. This is his minimum order is $40, and his feedback is 3,803. That's almost $160,000 he's made if the people ordered the minimum. But they don't order the minimum because over here you'll see all these upgrades. $20 if you want the commercial rights, $50 if you want the full broadcast rights, $30 for timed audio sync, and the list goes on. He's got all kinds of upgrades here, and his highest upgrade is $500. This guy has made a killing on Fiverr just by, in his part-time probably, doing voiceovers. So if you have a good speaking voice and could go on Fiverr and just do voiceovers, you could get a piece of this pie. This guy's probably made over $250,000 so far in a couple years on Fiverr just doing voiceovers. And no doubt he is a professional and he's good at what he does. You know, he'll record up to 100 words for $40, but if you need more words, he'll calculate the word rate for you. And then $20 extra for commercial rights, $50 for any voiceover used on local radio, TV. This guy has made a killing just doing voiceovers. So that's one way you can make a lot of money on Fiverr, is by doing voiceovers. And there's a lot of people that order this stuff for videos. And I'm one because I don't really speak that well, and I'm not really that fluent. So I would order a service from him to help out with my videos. But I was just going to show you today how you can make over $120,000 on Fiverr. It's possible. All you have to do is look at this, $40 for his minimum order. He's done 3,800. That's almost $160,000 he's made in 2 years just doing simple voiceovers, and he does them well. You know, if you're going to do something on Fiverr, do it well, and you'll be paid well. You'll make a lot of money. Now on Fiverr, what I did was I wrote articles, and I wrote quite a few articles, and I did do that, and I did make some money, but I found it to be time-consuming and not really worth the money that I was making. I was probably charging too little also. I was charging $10 an article. And I was busy. I was too busy, actually, and it kept me away from doing other things. So if you're going to join Fiverr and do something, make sure it's worth your while. And why they call it Fiverr is that there are some gigs on Fiverr that cost $5, but generally what people do is they just give a real basic offer for $5 and then sell people on the upgrades. So you can make a lot of money on Fiverr. It's not hard to join, and they have all this stuff, graphics and design. Look at all this stuff you could do. Digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, anything you could think of as it pertains to the computer, you could do on Fiverr and make a lot of money on it. And if you're thinking of joining Fiverr, I'll put a link in the description of this video. I appreciate you using that link. And if you like my screen recorder, and maybe you could even do screen recording on Fiverr, the link to mine is down below in the video description also. Screen recorder that I use is really simple to use. The learning curve is very small, and it does really good screen recordings, as you could see by my video. And you could also click over, and right now it's a free trial. I hope this video helped you out. Subscribe for more videos like this as I talk about ways you can make money online, affiliate marketing, and stuff like that. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification for more videos like this, and have a good day. Peace.